if it's red, that means it's recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, welcome guys. Welcome back, guys and girls. So I know there might be some girls watching this, but this is a 2011 WK2, and I just recently did a rough country 2.5 lift on it, 2.5 lift, and then I went with these 17-inch wheels. Yes, they're 17s, on some XT Atturo, the 285l70R17. Yes, they're 10-ply tire, and so this is a Hemi. It's an Overland edition, and I know I've seen some videos where the wheel, 17-inch wheels, you cannot fit because the wheel contacts the caliper on the inside of the wheel. So on these, they cleared, and the reason why they cleared, I'm guessing, is because of the offset it has on the wheel. It has the positive 12 offset, but it's the back ones, they clear all day. It's the problem is in the front. That's where the calipers are bigger on the Hemi, and it's about 3/8 of an inch. So I mean, if you're in sand, you won't have any problems, I'm guessing. But I mean, if you're doing like with the rocks or deep mud, stuff like that, y'all might get a rock in there stuck in between the caliper or mud and the wheel. Since it's 3/8 it's not very big clearance between the wheel and the caliper. But I mean, they're cleared, so. And they are the RockTrix wheels, so I'll put a link on the description down below if y'all want to purchase the same wheels and tires. Now I got the lift, the wheels and tires for under $2,200. So if y'all really want, y'all have a WK2, y'all want to do something, y'all can do a similar setup for around the same price. And I'll put everything on the description down below if y'all want to go and take a look at it, purchase the same setup. And I kind of just piece stuff together. I didn't buy everything at one single store or. All right, and this is gonna be a wrap for this video. Like I said, it's a 2011 WK2 Overland edition with the Hemi. The same thing, Atturo XT tires, 285l70R17s, 10-ply on 17s, RockTrix racing wheels, and just minimal rubbing up in the front fender bumper. Nothing major. I can trim that and it'll clear. Nothing in the back, just the front, mainly on the passenger side. Like I said, I'll put all the description down below, the model of the wheels, where I got them, the tires, the same thing, and the lift if y'all want to purchase the same setup. I got this under $2,200 for the whole setup, wheels, tires, and lift. So if y'all are looking to buy a lift kit or a similar setup like this, y'all can go ahead and take a look at it. But look at the parts where I got them from. So like I said, guys, thanks for watching. This is a wrap for this video, and y'all probably noticed we have better audio. We got a mic now. Sorry for the first video, it was windy that day. We didn't have a mic or nothing. So but yeah, this is not just gonna be diesel truck content. It's gonna have Jeeps, Subarus, but like I said, thanks for watching, guys. To the next one.